मुरगांव बायणा हांगासर आशिल्ल्या सासमोळे तळ्याच्या सुशोभीकरण करपाच्या कामाची पळोवणी जलसंसाधन खात्याचो मंत्री फिलिप नेरी रॉड्रिगीजान आमदार आल्मेदा आनी मंत्री नायका बरोबर केल्या. तळ्यांत आशिल्लो कचरो काडपाचोय आदेश संबंधितांक दिला. सासमोळे तळ्यांतल्या उदकाची चांचणी करून नवीन कसलोय प्रकल्प तयार करप शक्य आसा जाल्यार गोंय सरकारान संबंधीत खात्या कडल्यान कसलोय बरो प्रकल्प तयार करचो अशी मागणी वास्कोचो आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदान मंत्र्या कडेन केल्या.
There are many departments that are involved in this process. One is Fisheries Minister, Water Resources, Urban Development Ministry. See, they are all interlinked. And this is the first time one project gets up. And one major part is we are going to say we want recharge groundwater. That's the most important part. Recharging groundwater. I'm requesting the Union Minister. I spoke to you also. There are a lot of people leaving sewage in the lake. I want that to be stopped. I had a meeting with the chief officer also. In front of his presence, I'm requesting him once again that if that stops also, we can use some type of fish that eats grass. So then there will be no more grass weeds in the pond. See, this is what we want to achieve everywhere in Goa. See, I want to send a message all over Goa that Vasco we can do it. Other people think there are buildings, Gorai, Zaganai, but now this is a place like it's a nice beautiful lake.
So will you be considering this aquaculture or the introduction of freshwater fish and other species of indigenous fishes in the ponds and other areas in your constituency, and if it gets successful, then would you be recommending the same thing to other constituencies, nearby constituencies also?
The next phase I want to do for birds after my model lake. My model is there. A lot of birds are coming.
Okay.
Even I think on today on paper I read some article on birds. A lot of species come there.
Okay.
My house also is there next to. I can hear 6-7 type of sound in the morning.
Okay.
There at the lake.
आमदार आल्मेदाचो प्रस्ताव बरो आसा, ताचेर विचार करतलो. मुखेलमंत्र्याच्याय नदरेक आल्मेदाचो प्रस्ताव कळयतलो अशें उतर मंत्री रॉड्रिगीजान दिलां.
He has an ambition to take up various projects which is innovative. So this is something new innovation. आमी वॉटर रिसोर्सान कितें करता, डिसिल्टिंग मोटर JCB घेता ती घेता. So this is something new which dividing takes place. A new technology I can say, which will collect the weeds and my onward disposal. So I'm happy to see his work going on, and I have given instruction to continue with the work irrespective of how much it will cost, how we will pay to the agency. समजलो no? Because unless and until it completes in certain respect, we may not be able to judge whether Mr. दाखवले. So it has to complete a certain circle. So आम्हाला एक हाफ देखून त्याने टँक क्लियर केली जाल्यार आमकां कळटलें उदक कितकोन जाता, तितून नुस्त्या कितें आसा जाल्यार वता अंडर दॅट फोदड जावन तें सगळें चोवपाक लागून आय आस्क दी एजन्सी टू कंटिन्यू द वर्क. आनी कितें जाता गोंया राज्यान पायलट प्रोजेक्ट म्हणटा आमी खंयचो एक इनोवेटीव प्रोजेक्ट येता ताका आमी पायलट प्रोजेक्ट म्हणटा. सो पायलट प्रोजेक्ट कसो आमी वॉटर रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट ट्रीट करता बिकॉज द MLA has taken interest in order to get this agency in this. आनी आसा थिंगा स्कोप ऑफ वर्क आसा, म्हणजे आमी ना थिंगा डिविडिंग करून आसा न्हू. इज अ हेविली विडेड वॉटर बॉडी. सो पायलट प्रोजेक्ट जरी सक्सेस जालो द सेम डिजायन ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ वर्क वील बी कंटिन्यूड इन अदर एरियाज. आमची कितें आसा फ्रेश वॉटर कन्जर्वेशन आमी करता, थोडी पाणी आमी कन्जर्व करता इन ऑर्डर टू ट्रीट फॉर वॉटर ड्रिंकींग पर्पज. सो म्हाका दिसता ही वॉटर ट्रीट करून आमी ड्रिंकींग वॉटर करता. सो दीस पॉन्ड this tank can be used for aquaculture, pisciculture, I don't know कसलेले, but I can ask my Department of Fisheries to examine the quality of water, to test the quality of water, whether what type of fish will breed here.